Alright, this is attempt 9,999 on the fully pinned 6-pin Medeco. Not expecting much success here, but gotta give it a try. Alright, first I'm gonna go to the left, check for pins binding against the sidebar. I just made that one worse. Alright, I think there's one or two that are kind of dragging a little bit, so there will have to be some rotated. It's windy outside. Feels nice. I think I overset that one. Recock it. like it's pin 6 that just will. Oh, I did get it. It was pin 6. It just would not rotate into position. All right, that is the. I got to keep it all in frame here because I want this to be legit. So bear with me and give me a moment. Shit, I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Okay, I got one. All right. Bear with me just 1 second. I have to find my Allen wrench. There we go. Medeco Allen wrench. That's next on my list, the best SFIC. All right. You see all 6 plugs are in there. Now, I do not have a key for this, but I'm going to take it apart from the top here, so we can go ahead and lock it back up. I'm going to start with pin stack 1. Tweezers. All right, we got pin 1. All right, pin 2. All right, when we get done with removing all of these, I'm going to give you a close-up of the pins. And I'm going to pull the core out because I'm pretty sure I have to show the sidebar. All right, ain't that a bitch? There's a strange circlip on it. This lock doesn't belong to me, so I really don't want to mess this circlip up, so I'm going to try to be careful. tough little clip.
Hey.
Yes.
Question. You know, Miss Galino, I'm sure the other ones still have the old pendant.
Yeah.
The ones, what were the things on the wall that they push?
Plungers.
The plungers. She know about hers.
Some of them don't have them yet.
Huh?
Some of them don't have them yet.
Well, she got one, but I took it out, uncorded from the little thing wrappers and gave it to her, but it should be working, right? Hers not working?
I don't think so. If she didn't have one, it's not programmed in the system yet.
Oh, okay, so she'll just still have to push her regular pendant?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, she's not feeling good. She don't look like she feel good either, so I asked her, did she want to go to the hospital? Because she said, at the time, she don't know what she wanted to do.
All right.
I told her I just keep checking.
I'll go check on. Yeah, we'll go check on her in a little bit.
I checked on her, but like I said, I'll be checking on her periodically. You know, because she's not going to lay in her bed. She can recline in that chair.
Yeah. All right, appreciate it. Sorry, guys, I am at work, so gotta talk work things sometimes. All right, here comes the cylinder, I think. I don't know, I've never gutted one like this. Is there anything else in there holding me up? There we go. Must be real careful. Alright, I've got the sidebar in my hand. Alright, I'm going to try to angle this down just a little bit. Alright. Come on, camera. Focus up here. Trying to get just one end to pop up enough to get it, but oh well. There we go. You can see the teeth and the springs. If I can get some better focus. See, there's been no modifications to the core as far as I can tell. All right, we'll set that right there with the core. Put the sidebar right there. And bring it all up to the camera. All right. Let me see here. Like, see, there's a lack of focus. See, there's the true gate. And this one, this pin does not have a false gate. This pin 6, pin 5 also does not have a false gate, just a true gate. That one does have a false gate. I'm gonna have to look at the others closer because I almost missed this one. It is right there beside the true gate. Try to get a good angle so you can see it. The false gates are very shallow. Let me look at this one again. Yeah, it's got a false gate too. Okay, they're just shallow and I didn't see them. But see the true gate. Damn it, come on camera. See the true gate's the deep one, but right beside it, like right there at the 12 o'clock position on the pin, a little narrow there's a good little shot of it. So yeah, they all have false gates. This one, again, the false gate is at the 12 o'clock position. The true gate is at 11 o'clock. I really only see a true gate on this one. I don't see a false gate. But I could be missing something. Alright, that gives you a real good close-up of the sidebar here. Come on. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That has been my Medeco journey. Alright, appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys later. It won't even focus on the end of the video. There we go. Alright everybody, have a great night. Thank you for bearing with me for 20 minutes through that video.